Okay, so let's dive into what Linkspreed is building with what they call the sovereign web.
I mean, what if you weren't just a user, but an actual owner of your own space online?
Because right now, the internet is basically a bunch of data silos where, you're the product.
Linkspreed wants to flip that, from big tech's control to a social web that's actually owned by users.
Their foundation for this is a whole new blueprint called Web4, an internet built around social networks.
And this is where it gets really interesting. Their SNAS engine lets anyone launch a social network, fast. You also get tools like decentralized AI moderation and a social graph that you can take with you anywhere.
Next up, let's talk about the money. Their utility layer is designed to kill the so-called success tax.
How much of a cut does Linkspreed take? That's right, 0. A big, fat 0%.
And that's a huge deal. Just look at the difference compared to what competitors are taking from creators.
So how do you even get on this new web? Well, they're building the actual hardware for it.
We're talking phones, smart glasses, notebooks, even a smart ring, the whole shebang, all integrated. Get this, their new phone isn't just a phone, it's your own personal server for hosting your data.
Okay, we've got the hardware, but what's the actual backbone that makes this independence possible?
First up is UIID. It's a universal ID, so you can forget about those login with Google buttons.
And then there's Project IPX, which is a totally new, more secure protocol for the internet itself.
So the whole point is to bring all these separate pieces together into a single, seamless super app.
You can see the roadmap here. Each layer builds on the one before it, from the ground up. This table really pulls it all together. Linkspreed is building the entire stack, across every single layer. It's a fundamental change in thinking. You go from being the product to being the actual owner.
So it leaves you with a big question. Is this what true digital freedom actually looks like?